What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeff. Today I'm doing a little bit of a vlog style. I'm in the gym on the turf and I'm hitting up the core and the abs to bring you guys 5 exercises that you guys can do at home or wherever you are to keep you guys in shape and get your summer bods that you guys really want to have and get yourself looking good. Just going through a quick warm-up here guys. I always like to warm up and have a good stretch because it increases your flexibility, your range of motion, your physical performance, and your blood flow into your muscles, and also improves your posture amongst many other things. So that's why I stretch before and after every workout. Alright guys, hopping right into the exercises here. This is the first one out of the 5. You want to keep your legs at a 90-degree angle and your shoulder blades off of the ground. This is a standard crunch, as they call it, which works your upper abdominal muscles. You want to keep your core contracted and your shoulder blades off of the floor, all while doing this. And you want to shoot for 10 to 15 reps here. Moving right into my next exercise here. This is by far one of my favorite. You're going to be in an upright seated position with your core contracted here, your legs off of the ground, and your hands moving from side to side, making sure that you're touching either side of the floor every time you move across your body. This is a very good exercise for your obliques and your entire core, and trust me guys, this one gets you good. Remember to keep your tempo up, taking about 15 to 30 seconds of a break in between each one of your exercises. Right into our next exercise here guys. We got the standard plank coming at you, in and outs. You want to have your body straight as a board, hypothetically speaking. You want your feet to be moving in and out towards each other, your arms straight, and you want your form to be on point here guys. This is very important for this exercise, keeping your core very tight. Moving right through the list guys into your next exercise, you want to keep your tempo up here, going through into the starfish. This is a really good exercise for your entire core. You want to be extending your legs, keeping them as straight as possible, and alternating left arm to right arm, right foot to left foot, so to speak. And you want to be doing 10 to 15 of these, so let's get to it. I also wanted to point out guys, making sure that you guys are having fun all while doing this. It's really good to have a friend or your significant other to work out with, because you can challenge each other and push each other to become stronger and become more fit, or whatever your fitness goals may be. Last exercise of the day guys. So we want to be going strong here until you burn out. I love to save this one until the last for that reason alone. You want to have your body straight as a board, moving and alternating your feet in and out of your chest. And also you want to keep those arms straight as possible as well. And at the end of this, take a 2-minute break and repeat these 5 exercises 3 to 4 times, and you guys will have abs in no time. That does it for me today guys. That's a wrap. Let me know down in the comments which is your favorite, and hopefully this gives you some motivation to get you guys self out there and get yourselves that summer bod that you guys always wanted. We'll see you guys next time.